Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Angela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have for you guys my Boxycharm unboxing, and for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a $25 per month monthly subscription that sends you 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, well over $125 worth of value. They recently rebranded and upped their price. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and dive onto the box and get right into it. So when I open the box, this is what it looks like inside. If you're familiar with the older Boxycharm, the interior of the box was completely black and they've changed it to red. And then of course here on top you have the info card, which has the theme for the month, which is Boxycharm Stellar. And then on the inside there is the variation number, all of the products, the prices, etc. is all in this info card, and I will of course leave everything down below so you can gauge what you're actually paying for the box versus the value of the box. So this first thing here on top is a new feature that Boxycharm is adding to their box. They're gonna start doing more concealers and foundations. So they've sent these little testers so we can pick which shade best matches our skin tone, and then from that we will give that to Boxycharm. Boxycharm will then use that information that we've given to them to pick the shade that they believe is right for us. The first thing on the top of the box is the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set that comes in this little pouch. So here are the 2 brushes. It says create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free, and these MSRP for $35. These brushes feel very soft. I'm not sure how I feel about the ovalness of the brush. I don't own too many brushes that look like this, but I do like the way that this feels when you hold it. There is a little placement for your finger. The next item in the box is from the brand called Dose of Colors. This is their liquid matte lipstick. It has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. This MSRP's for $18. I apologize for stuttering. And this is in the shade Date Night. So here is what that shade Date Night looks like. At the end of this video, I will of course swatch everything on my lips and on my arm for you guys. So this next item in the box is from the brand called Kypris. It is their Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skin care wardrobe. This MSRP's for $90. So this is like triple what you're actually paying for your box. This is crazy. This is luxury. Here is what that serum bottle looks like. It's very classic, elegant, and it feels hefty and expensive. So the next thing that I pulled out are these 2 Wonder Makai Berry Antioxidant Mask Sheet Sets. This is from the brand called Haruharu. This mask contains extracts of Maqui berry and provides your skin with antioxidant and anti-aging effects. Patented technology in this mask encourages healthy skin functions like regeneration and anti-inflammation and targets many skin imperfections. The sheet is made from 100% pure cotton and a non-chlorine bleaching process that allows a delicate touch with an enhanced adherence with the skin. This retails for $9 each, and here are what those look like. And it is kind of cool that you do get a set of 2 so you can see how your skin reacts to the product. Here is the final item in the box. It is from the brand called Dominique Cosmetics. It is the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. It says that it is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. This MSRP's for $35. Dominique has amazing high quality eyeshadows. There is a film protector And here are what those gorgeous shades look like. I am so attracted to this one and this one right here, right now. Oh my gosh. So in this palette, there are 8 shades. We have Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, Zero Gravity, Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. So that was everything that I received in my Boxycharm. I love the pop of color in the eyeshadow palettes. The eyeshadows were actually really creamy. At first they felt a little dry, but they blended amazingly. But yeah, I literally love every single product. This red is gonna be so perfect for Christmas time, and I'm so excited. As always, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell if you want to be notified of the next time that I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.